Hello and welcome to another episode, part 3 of the room box. Getting quite excited, we're right near the end. Now here is the copper that I made for the washing room. It is made out of a Stevident tube, cardboard, matchsticks for legs and plastic gems for the rivets. I made the lid out of cardboard. I made a little cardboard handle with a rivet either side for the handle. I'm going to paint it now with a copper paint that I've got. It is a brilliant colour actually. I think I got it in a bargain sale or something at some point. Absolutely perfect for this. Paint it on and it really does start to bring it together. I did paint on the odd bit of black distressing on the copper. You'll see it in a bit. But yeah, so far so good. It's going to look smart. I don't know where it disappeared to there. And I'm back. And there we go. I will speed this up a bit for you because it takes forever and I'm sure you don't want to be sat there watching paint dry. So I'll speed it up. That's okay, yeah. That paint is gorgeous, isn't it? It's really bringing it together. I was going to keep the side straps black along with the struts that hold the legs up, you know, the structure of it, but I do decide to paint those copper as well just to tie it all in together, and it certainly does tie it in together. The paint job really brings it out. You can't tell that it's junk. It starts to look pretty good when the paint's on. And now I'm just going over the black parts again because I did get a bit of copper paint on them, but it's looking good. Really looking good there. Get the black looking black, and then I will put on a dash of black on some of the rivets. And that is the copper done. I just need to glue on the lid, which I'll show you very shortly. I'm just making a shelf now for the laundry room. I decided to use a glue gun in the end because super glue was not doing the job. So yeah, I made the shelves, and they don't have to be perfect. You know, I don't think they would have been back in the day, to be honest. It's just a laundry room. It's not a room where they would entertain people. So I'm just knocking up the shelf and I'm going to put a back on it. I'm going to paint it dark brown, which you'll see shortly. And laundry items are going to go on there, such as boxes of soap powder and a few clothes and what you typically see in a laundry room. I tell you what, this glue gun is the hottest glue gun I have ever had. I've had a few nasty burns off this one. Gotta be really careful with it. And now it's time to glue the lid on the copper. And that's finished. Excellent. Here is the character maid, the murderess, and I will tell you all about her in the final part of the room box. I made her out of polymer clay, and I modelled the face and the hands and the feet onto a wire body, and when that was baked I then added wool for hair and some clothes that I had from my scraps collection, and it seems to have worked out okay. The other lady involved is only in parts, so I did not need to make a complete doll, just parts. So I'm sizing her up there to the table to make sure she is the right size. So I'm pleased with that. And that is it for this part. I will see you in the next one. I hope your Christmas preparations are going well, and I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.